Miss Nichols here, your backyard biologist, and we've been wandering around the woods all morning, and so we are going to take something that we found outside and go inside today. Check out these native wild strawberries all over my yard. I'm going to snip one off and take it inside, and I'm going to give you some tricks on how to draw a leaf. The materials you need include a permanent pen, drawing paper, and either watercolors or colored pencils, and a leaf. The first thing I do is I want to examine my leaf. I'm noticing the color, the lines of the stems, the texture of the leaves. I'm now going to trace around each leaf. I'm going fairly quickly. I'm getting the general idea. It doesn't have to be perfect. No one is ever going to see the original leaf. Areas that I couldn't see, I'm just kind of doing it by eye and filling in the shapes. Now, living things are made of tubes, and by making them a tube shape, it gives them life. So you can see the stem has a tube shape to it. Each vein has a double line. Again, this is a round shape, so I'm also adding a darker line parallel to the original line on the bottom side, as if there's like a shadow. It gives it a sense of three-dimensional. So it's only along the bottom side of each shape. I'm also looking at the direction of the veins on the leaves. Each one goes to each of those serrated edges, so I'm just drawing those out. I'm double checking. These are not straight lines, they're slightly curved. It gives the leaf a little bit of life. Again, I'm putting a line to create a shadow there on the bottom side. I also want to document the type of leaf. This is a wild Maine strawberry. And I'm also putting the date. I'm also going to make some observations as a nature journaler. I notice that there's little hairs coming off the stem. I'm also looking at the color. I'm looking at the back of the leaf. The veins are also red. Now I'm going to go in some watercolors. I'm just getting the general color scheme here. Again, this isn't a finished drawing. It's a feel, so I'm putting a little bit of different shades of green. Some is mixed with yellow, some is mixed with blue. Leaves are not just one color. Putting a little bit of red on the stem. Sorry about the shadow there. Adding a little bit of ultramarine blue just to give a little shadow, some depth. You'll notice I didn't cover the entire leaf. I left areas of light color as well. I usually do this project during the summer when there's leaves on the trees, when there's simple shapes. However, in March, there's not much out there. This one uses color pencil. This is Miss Nichols, your backyard biologist. Ooh, a bee. Take time and get outside. Hi, buddy.